right, quickly to get into some CNC motion, we worked through this part. We did our setup. I'll do our top setup here. We did our pocket, our drilling operation, our slot, and then our contour to kind of clean stuff up. I've already gone and clicked this post process button and sent the post out to my desktop. So I'll come into CNC motion now, and I'll bring this in here. Now, if you look through this code, anytime you see a T code, we've got tool 3, which is my 1/4 inch end mill, and then way down, like almost near the bottom, I've got a tool 1. Why is it so big? I've got a tool 1, and if you don't have those tools listed in CNC motion, you're going to get something called an invalid T code. So the way we fix that is I go to my setup, tools, setup library, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through. I've got my my tool library open. I can actually slide this over to another window, and I'm just going to copy the tools I'm going to use. And by copy, I mean I'm going to look at it and say, oh, tool 1 is an 1/8 inch flat end mill. Tool 3 is a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Tool 5, 3/8 flat end mill. And so on and so forth. The good news is there's only 11 tools, and you don't even use them all, so you really only need to copy the ones or add the ones that you use. So go back into CNC motion. I've got tool 1. I'm going to define it as an end mill. There's its diameter. That's all you really need. Okay, you can just, you don't need to worry about number of teeth or material or any of that kind of stuff. I am going to copy the tool, and then I'm going to paste the tool, and I'm just going to change to a ball mill for tool 2. Oops. I can make tool 3, copy tool, paste tool, and all I'm doing is just changing it from a flat end mill to a ball end mill. Unfortunately, there's no way to import the library into CNC motion. Sorry. You kind of got to go through and pick through. You'll see I've got tools in here. I've got tool 30, which is a 3/4 inch end mill that I use for my facing and a lot of my rough removal operations. Tool 11 is that tapered end mill. You may have to mess with the taper angle and the diameter offset on here as well. But that's how you go and you enter your tools.